Hello everyone, with your programs in this video we create chat screen. Now we create chat user model. Right, chat user model dot dart, write class, and then we write final int id, write final string name, write final string image, write final string last message, and final string status. Then we add constructor required this dot id, save. Then we open index.dart, write export, add file. Then we open constants, add information. Then we open screens, add folder chats, add chats screen dart, write class chat screen extends status widget, add method build, add constructor. Then we write return, add scaffold. Then we write background color, add colors dot white, body. Then we add widget save area, add widget column children, add parameter cross-axis alignment start, and now we add title, add import Flutter SVG, then we add widget expanded, add widget list view, children, add information new matches, add import, then we add information messages, save. Now we add chat screen to bottom navigation bar, select hot restart, open emulator, this all in this video. Subscribe my channel, add likes, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.